Kalimpong offbeat tour was really great with Sandesh. After a really good tour, it's time to go back to Eden. Due to fog, we could not see two places. Maybe next year or may not be. I don't know, but it was a really great tour. It's 4:30 p.m. and we reached Eden. We skipped the Dublin viewpoint because it was very foggy, and Zerong also because we did that. What is that? Okay, uh, we did the hike of Changi. So one day Changi coming, going, and after that the hike, it will take around 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. So after that we had that lava monastery, and lava monastery is there, Changi is there, and I went to Pride homestay for the swing. So that is there. It was already 4, so we decided not to go for that Nogdara. Even the weather is not good. It was foggy, kuasha chole asche, that's why. So we decided to go back to home because the road from Kolakham to Changi, it is really bad, and it was not good for my mother. And even my father did the he is definitely, he's fit, but he's aged, so back to back to hike or trek, it is not possible, it is not feasible basically. Even same goes with me also, it's not about my father. So that's why we decided to come back, and it was really very good a day. And maybe in future if I'll come here, we'll do the Lava Nogdara and Dublin, maybe, I don't know. And in the evening we'll have some snacks in here, and tomorrow we are heading towards Darjeeling. So Eden is always a good for us. So maybe in future, we don't know, but let's see. Maybe we can go to Dublin later on or what. So it's always. And one more thing, I don't. All the people who were our drivers, they are from a very good family, and they have adventurous soul and everything. Like Sandesh, he loves wildlife, and he does trek, adventure trips, picnic, staying, fishing, so many things. He's very adventurous. So I always, even Rajesh ji, he's also very nice person. One of his son is in army, and his daughter and her husband is working in Sikkim pharma company. Sumanji was there previously. He's from a very good background. So this is what, that's why when people contacted them, they are all satisfied. And even Sandesh, he was giving so many information about some places we have no idea about that. So this is what I was looking for always when I choose someone. So that is what. And obviously they all of them, they are very, I directly contact them, not through any agency or nothing like that. So I always directly contact them, and I always take the suggestion. So even what I do, alter the tour if needed. But previously also I did it. That is what my father and mother taught me, that everything cannot get in one go. Maybe you have to alter the, according to the weather, according to your health, everything keeping in mind, maybe you have to alter the tour plan. So that is what I do, and I'm okay with that. If I cannot see this time, means maybe this time it is not for me. Even in lava monastery, we were planning in 2019, but it was not happening. 2025 suddenly it happened. It was not in our tour plan also. Sandesh said we can go to lava monastery. I said okay, fine. So this is what we alter. Like, I love I love to do it. I enjoy the vacation. It is not about that I'm investing this money, so I have to do it right away, whatever it is. So this is a foggy weather. It is not good to go any viewpoint, or no point actually. It will take time. So maybe in future, I don't know. Let's see. Even I never thought that we can come back to Eden after 2023 we came here, but 2025 again we came. So life is unpredictable. We never know what is storing for us. So I do enjoy like this. And the evening munching Maggie for me, onion pakoda for my parents. I had the share also. Dinner at Eden, chicken curry, rice, turkey, beans. Here. Last night at Eden, dinner sorted, and tomorrow Rajeshji will come and pick up. We will go towards Darjeeling. our favorite place, we will go to Revolver. Okay, this is the car which Sandesh owned. So see you in the next video.